Today, I will explain how you can easily receive your payments from Fiverr. Payoneer offers an excellent payment solution for Fiverr users, and the integration between Fiverr and Payoneer makes the withdrawal process faster and more secure. What are Fiverr and Payoneer? Fiverr. Fiverr is a global platform where freelancers can offer services in fields like design, software development, writing, and much more. It's a popular platform for freelancers to work and provide services. Payoneer. Payoneer is a financial services platform that allows you to receive payments from global marketplaces like Fiverr. It makes it easy to transfer your earnings to bank accounts, credit cards, or other payment methods worldwide. How Fiverr to Payoneer works. Fiverr offers various payment methods, and Payoneer is a popular choice for users who want to receive their payments. Here are the steps to withdraw from Fiverr to Payoneer. Create a Payoneer account. You need to have a Payoneer account to receive payments from Fiverr. Payoneer helps you easily receive payments globally. Link your Fiverr account. Go to the Payment Settings section of your Fiverr account and select Payoneer as your payment method. Link your Payoneer account to your Fiverr account. Receive payment from Fiverr. After the 14-day clearance period, your Fiverr earnings will be transferred to your Payoneer account. Once the process is complete, you can use your Payoneer card or bank account to access your payments. Transfer the money. Payoneer allows you to transfer your funds to your bank account or use the Payoneer card to withdraw your payments in different currencies. This makes it easy to access your earnings anywhere in the world. Advantages of Fiverr to Payoneer payments. Fast and secure. The transfer from Fiverr to Payoneer is secure, and payments are usually reflected in your account quickly. Low transaction fees. Payoneer offers low transaction fees for receiving international payments. Generally, Fiverr to Payoneer payments have lower costs. Global access. Payoneer integrates with many banks and payment platforms worldwide, making it easier to receive payments globally. Receive payments in multiple currencies. Payoneer allows you to deal with multiple currencies, which is very beneficial for a global freelance career. The ease of working with Fiverr and Payoneer. The integration between Fiverr and Payoneer makes things very easy for freelancers. Withdrawing your Fiverr earnings to Payoneer is a straightforward process. Payoneer not only helps you receive payments, but also offers great flexibility when it comes to international payments. Conclusion: if you're earning from Fiverr and want to simplify your payment process, Payoneer is a great option. It provides a secure and fast way to receive payments, and you can easily withdraw your Fiverr earnings from Payoneer and access your funds anywhere in the world.